number 2, number 1. Bigo number 3, pace. 10 second shot lang. Nawala yung bola. 5 second shot lang. Jump by number 2, basket. Pass break play number 2, easy basket by Manuel, number 2. No good. Rebound number 23. Pass break to number 2. Eric Manuel, number 2. Basket. Nawala yung bola.
Oy.
Nalibre si number 2.
Naku, nasobra pa. Buti na lang. Babili.
Basket by number 2. Manuel. Rebound by Manuel, number 2. Nagmamadali, number 2 na rin. Easy basket by Manuel, number 2. Bigo, pass break play to number 2. Libre. Easy basket ni Manuel. Number 2 lang bola. Napunta tayo number 34. Pass break play to number 2. Libre na naman. Basket again by number 2.
Tira ni Eric pa.
Foul, second team foul. Last try. Basket na. Ang pangalawang tira.
Ayun na.
Pass break play to number 2.
Ayun na, bumawi, bro.
Pinunod sa ilalim.
Oh!
By number 2.
Quarter. Hindi maaga siya kanina. Maaga. Hey, guys.
40 second shot lang. Binomba ni Eric, number 2. Basket. Win na. Number 2, Manuel. May kasamang foul. Who's foul rep? Slap.
52.
May tawag si ref. Foul number 17. Penalty. Second personal foul.
Magsisimula ka palang ng dasal eh. Papasok yun, Brad.
Last throw.
Papasok na yan.
Sala. Pass break play.
Oh!
Nalibre.
Dalawa na lang.
Sin Jeff Robin. Hinahanap si Manuel, number 2. Manuel, jump.
Oh!
By Manuel.
Tabla na naman. Ayan.
Last 45 seconds.
Oh!
Number 2. 61-67. Cardosa. Foul number 17. Both team penalty.
Bakit parang ano yan?
Second personal foul ni Chef Robin.
65 lang? Di ba 65 lang? Bakit dumagdag sila ng dalawa? Eh, hindi naman yung sa ano.
First try ni Cardosa. Basket. 38 seconds remaining time. 38 seconds.
6 lang yung kalamangan. Kaya ito sana pang 8.
Last throw. No hook. Rebound, touch out. Pass break play to Eric. Number 2. Foul number 17. Dalawa tayo. Third personal foul. Both team are on penalty. First try, basket. 35 seconds remaining time.